A candle wakes before the dawn. The oldest oak still greets the rain, though countless storms have carved its name. The silent road remembers feet where hope and heart continue to meet. No ground can hold the morning light, no echo owns the song of right. Carry the flame though no one sees, stand like the mountains, bend like the trees. One steady heart can calm the sea, the strongest soul walks quietly. Lift every hand that starts to fall. Love is the greatest strength of all. The river writes on patient stone, teaching us we're not alone. Every scar becomes a star, lighting weary travelers from afar. The sky grows gold through darkest blue. Every sunrise begins with you. Carry the flame though no one sees, stand like the mountains, bend like the trees. One steady heart can calm the sea, the strongest soul walks quietly. Lift every hand that starts to fall. Love is the greatest strength of all. When the final evening softly calls, may kindness be the voice that falls. Not by glory, not by fame, but by the warmth we leave in every name. Carry the flame though no one sees, stand like the mountains, bend like the trees. One steady heart can calm the sea, the strongest soul walks quietly. The quiet flame will still remain, will still remain. The quiet flame will still remain, will still remain. Ooh, 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 ooh.